Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to your own channel Midu Study. I am your friend Ashutosh from IIM Indore, and as we all know friends, in Midu Studies, this is your CAT 21 Dream IIM series, yes Dream IIM series, in which in 75 days and 75 videos, we are doing comprehensive coverage of CAT 21 and becoming CAT ready. Friends, our today videos is on verbal ability. In verbal ability, out of 18 videos, 8 videos were to be on foundation and 10 practice. These 8, there were 3 VA videos and 5 grammar videos. We have already covered all this. You can refer these video numbers, and out of these 10, 2 practice videos we have also done. We have done video number 37 on synonym antonym and video number 40 on fill in the blanks. Our today's content is on sentence correction, another type of questions which can come in CAT, easy and important. So what kind of questions can come in sentence correction is our basic agenda of today's video. So today's video of VA, video number 11 in this particular section on sentence correction is there. Let us begin. What kind of questions can come in CAT? So in this type of question, usually few sentences will be given. Okay. So what can happen is few sentences will be given. Some will be grammatically correct, some will be grammatically incorrect, and we will need to identify. Now question can come on both types. So see, suppose there are there are 4 sentences A, B, C, D. It can happen that these 2 are grammatically correct, these 2 are incorrect. Now question can ask you anything. It can ask you to identify correct also, incorrect also. So read the statement very carefully and then see. Today practice questions, what we have done is, see, identifying correct is something very easy. What is difficult is identifying the incorrect, because something which has mistake, you need to identify the mistake. So in today's questions, today's part, what we will do, practice of incorrect thing. Let me tell you how to approach such questions. So what this question is telling is, this first question has 4 sentences, okay, a continue kind of paragraph. It can be continue, it can be separate also, but usually CAT what gives is, it will give you a paragraph broken into 4 plus, so that there is some flow. And then what these options are telling is, so see, if only B means, if only B is incorrect, all 3 are correct, because we have to identify the incorrect one. Remember this thing very carefully. Let us read and start. First A part, the Avro rose to an altitude of 3000 meter. So this seems correct. There is no incorrect thing which sees in this sentence. Ominous clouds loomed over Saurashtra. This also is grammatically correct. No mistakes in this. Any plane would have changed course. Any plane would have changed course. So see, here instead of any plane, it should have been any other plane, because what does mean by any other plane? After we are already mentioning Avro, na? So apart from Avro, so this sentence is wrong. But the Avro with its season crew flung into this crawling black mass. So it cannot get flung into. It will be flung itself into. Here this itself is missing. So this also is incorrect. So C and D have error in them. Let us see which option. Option number C. C and D. Okay. So this is how we approach such kind of questions. Let us move to the second example. Oddly enough, I am to an Indian. No, this I am to an Indian, this is wrong placement. I am to an Indian. Just have a look at it, read it again. It should be I am an Indian too. This 2 should come here. So first A is wrong. Okay. So see, only B and only C. These 2 options get ruled out. It can be either A or it can be this. So no need to check B and D, check C part. Race does not make me one, nor religion, history did. So see, does and did. Tenses are not in same part. This also is wrong. Whenever we have something, tense should conform to each other. There should be continuity, which is not happening. So in this case, correct answer is option number D, A and C. Let us move to the next one. Third. We had little money and almost no experience, but the Tudor horse seemed to call us across the ages. It had been spurned by the heritage organization as far to gone. We had to answer the call. Okay. We had little money and almost no experience. So this seems grammatically correct. But the Tudor horse seemed to call us across the ages. So seemed to call us across the ages. Here this preposition is missing. Seem to call us from across the ages. This should be from across. So this is missing part. It had been spurned by the heritage organization as far too gone. So in this also it shouldn't be as far too gone as too far gone. This again is incorrect. We had to answer the call. This is correct. So any option which says B and C. Yes, option number B and C. This is the correct one. Let us move to the fourth one. Many of us are obsessed with thinning. So see, obsessed with. Thinning is a verb, but when we are saying obsessed with, there should be some noun which should be there. It should be obsessed with thinness. So first it itself is wrong. So this becomes easy. See, only B cannot be there. Only D cannot be there. It can be either option B or option D. Check C part also. They spend billions on weight loss product. This is singular. It should be plural. They will not. Someone will not spend billion on a single product, na? And multiple product can be there for weight loss. So in this case, correct one will be A and C. Okay. Let us move to the fifth example. Norway produces some of the tough people on earth. Okay. They seem impervious of the biting cold. Families go camping above the Arctic Circle as though it was a trip to Disneyland, and these are just the average folks. So in this, Norway produces some of the tough people on earth. Okay. They seem impervious of the biting cold. So it should have been the toughest people. Not tough people, toughest, because we are comparing it with the rest of the world. So option A is incorrect. So see, this option gets ruled out. This also gets ruled out. Now we need to see whether C also is incorrect, because it is there in both. Check option B. They seem impervious of the biting cold. So it will not be impervious of the biting cold. It will be impervious to the biting cold. So B is also incorrect. So without wasting much time, check on option B. Sixth part. My mother died in January. By April, I went back to college. I looked around at all kids who found life boring. I was never again going to see life as anything except as a gift. Okay. My mother died in January. This is correct. No grammatical mistake. By April, I went back to college. This is also correct. I looked around at all kids. So here this article is missing. It should be I looked around at all the kids who find life boring. So there is only one option. Had there been some other option saying C and D, we would have utilized or applied some more time, but here no need. Let us move to the next seventh question. Sania Mirza may have lost the US Open. This is correct. No grammatical mistake in this. But her marketing value is going up every minute. So whenever we talk of some celebrity, it is their market value and not the marketing value. This is a difference. So B is incorrect. So option B and C are wrong because they do not have B in it. It can be either B and D or it can be B and C. She has become the second highest paid sports personality in the country. Okay. She is on par with Dravid and next early. So you will not be on par with someone, you will be at par with someone. So it should be B and D. Option number A is the correct answer, telling the erroneous sentences. Let us move to the eighth one. Venice never fails to take one with surprise. Okay. So it will not anyone take anyone with surprise. You take anyone by surprise. This is wrong. So A itself is wrong. So these options get ruled out. This does not have A in it. This does not have A in it. So it can be either A or it can be C. Now we need to check B is there in both. So just check C. It isn't merely the architecture, bridges and journal splendor. So in this what will happen is, since we are using the same thing, the articles also should be there in all. If you are saying the architecture, it should be the bridges and it should be the journal splendor, because in parallelism If same parts are there, then all will have the article. If none, if no. So it will be A, B and C. Option number C is the correct one. Let us move to the ninth. Regardless of your age, no doubt you want to slow down the clock. Okay, seems correct. Genetics play a role in determining how well you age. So see, genetics is a singular thing. So this noun should have been plural. So B is wrong. But diet is important as well. Okay, it is saying diet is important as well. This seems correct. With regular foods and nutrients, you may reduce or even prevent sign of aging. It will be signs of aging. So this is wrong. So B and D, option number B, which says B and D. This is the correct answer. Let us move to our final example, example number 10. His remembrance of my dad touched me, correct. I knew how devoted my father has been to his patients. So this is wrong. See, this person is not there now anymore. So it will not be has been. His father was, so it will be had been to patients. But his devotion and hard work came with the price. Okay, the price seemed too high for his family. So too high for his family, okay. So it will be B and D, option number B is the correct answer. So friends, these were 10 examples on how questions related to error can be there. You will give some questions which are correct, some which are incorrect. We need to identify. In our next video, we will do one of the quant topic, which is inequalities. In today's video, my dear friends, if there is any confusion or any suggestion, you can write in the comment section or our mail ID meedu.study@gmail.com. We will definitely address it. If you are liking our content, please like our video, share and subscribe to Meedu Study. Thank you friends. Take care. Have a good day.